the next person we got up here is Thomas Jennings. Now he invented what we know today as dry cleaning, but back then they called it what does it say? Dry scouring. That's crazy. I never knew that. So let me read this for you. Thomas Jennings invented a process he called dry scouring, and receiving a patent in 1821, becoming the first African American to be granted a patent at that. And his dry scouring process was a predecessor of today's dry cleaning methods that we have now. So not only did he start dry cleaning, you know what I'm saying, to help player like myself stay so fresh, so clean. But he also received the first patent as an African American. So that boy got a 2 for 1 right there. He really got 2 for 1 on him. That's tough.